In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an album selection gallery in AlbumTeller. This allows your client to select the photos they want in the album and later use that same gallery during proofing. Once your photos and chapters are ready, click Gallery in the top right corner. In the gallery setup, add the gallery name, event date, language, and cover image. On the right, you can preview how the gallery will look for your client. Next, add your client's name and email. Then define the minimum and maximum number of photos they can select. Click Create Gallery. AlbumTeller creates the gallery and sends the invitation to your client by email. If you wish, you can copy the credentials and send that by other means, like WhatsApp. The client clicks Select Photos from the email, enters the PIN, and opens the gallery. They select the photos they want for the album. The counter at the top shows how many photos are selected and how many are allowed. When they're done, they click Finish Selection, review the photos, and confirm. After the selection is submitted, you receive an email notification. The project also appears in your dashboard with a selection submitted status. Click Create Album. AlbumTeller opens the project and shows the submitted selection. For this tutorial, we'll use Auto Mode to generate the album quickly. AlbumTeller creates the album using the selected photos. The photos that were not selected are kept in the Other Photos chapter. This gallery is also connected to proofing. When you create a proofing invitation, the customer details are already available, so you don't need to add the same contact again. If the client wants to replace a photo during proofing, they can select the image, choose Replace, and pick a new photo directly from the gallery. Inside AlbumTeller, the request appears in the proofing panel. You can compare the current photo with the replacement and click Accept and Apply to update the album. The replaced photo moves to Other Photos, keeping the project organized. That's how album selection galleries connect client selection, album creation, and proofing in one workflow.